Hey traders, just want to do a quick recap again of Asian and give you guys some trade opportunities to look out for in London and New York. So let's run through these really quick. Euro, Australian dollar, we did take buys once it broke out of consolidation and we got in on the break of this candle right here. No drawdown, instantly in profit for about 30 pips in total, secured 50% at 10 and the other 50% at target 2, which is this area here. So very quick in and out. So that was called today if you guys showed up to that. GA is just consolidating. I would say to sit back and wait for a close above this area here with a small risk to catch the further move to the upside. And also vice versa, if you see an opportunity candle that presents itself here near the bottom of the consolidation zone, you should be able to catch roughly 30 to 40 pips. Just wait for it to break out of this zone in my viewpoint. EU, same thing. It's just consolidating. Wait for the same type of opportunity to present itself here or here, especially in times of volatility. EJ actually faked out to the top. That's why it's very important to wait for it to close. And even if you did get a break here, you could still enter with a tiny risk because of the momentum in Asian. But because it was a fake out, it closed back in the range, broke structure, and it fell to support. And it looks like it even faked out to the bottom. So this is a pair you just want to sit back and wait. Maybe wait for that next push to break here and continue down. So just keep your eye on that. It's not the best setup as of yet. Silver is also setting up. I do have my alert set. So if it does pass this certain area, which is the daily in the 4-hourly candle high, I believe we will get a big push if that opportunity candle presents itself for roughly 152 pips. So that's definitely one you guys want to keep your eye out on. US oil. It's just consolidating here at Asian. So, I mean, it's just kind of something you want to sit back and wait on. UJ did break out. No opportunity candle there. Reason I took EA at the end of the day, it was the best setup in my opinion. It did go and also did GJ, which I'll get to in a second. As far as GN, I'm definitely looking for sells on GN. We do have some trouble areas once it does break this low of the 4-hourly consolidation zone. You possibly could get that wick fill. So it's not the greatest reward. I would try to say wait for a little bit more data to come into play. But you can anticipate this move here. As long as we get a good close, a tiny risk, get that wick fill, and then that continuation, all momentum's to the downside. So GN's definitely a sell. Just wait for it to present itself. Brent crude, it's just consolidating. There's not really a move here yet. I would love to see buys if we can break this daily and get a push up to this area here and ultimately here. So that would be a good little opportunity, especially in the uptrend that it's in at the moment. 4-hourly, this is just a 4-hourly and daily pullback to continue. Probably get this wick fill. This is the move I would wait for on Brent. Gold is just consolidating. I have my alert set. So when I do get alerted, I will wait for that candle to break out and close above. I'll wait for that next 30-minute candle to wick down, tiny risk, buy stops above the breakout candle to continue up. And that would be the opportunity in my viewpoint on gold. GJ did play out as well. 4-hourly broke consolidation. It did come up to the upside, fake out to the top of the range. That's why we always wait until it closes. And then it had a huge move down. This was actually an opportunity if you were to use the 15, but EA, in my opinion, was much cleaner. I didn't take this. I would wait for this 30 to break, which might happen in London. And I believe we will get this move here. So this is a trade-off that you definitely want to wait for. to break and give you that small risk to grab that 40 pips and potentially 100 pips. So this is something you guys want to keep an eye out on for, so you guys don't make sure you miss that. US 30, it's just consolidating. We are waiting for a close above or below to see if we're going to do buys or sells. As you know, these are really big opportunities. Got 334 pips to the upside and a clean move down, roughly the same. So other than that, just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown of Asian, what to look out for, and yeah, see you guys next time.